Hey guys, what's up? This is Mike from Home in the 401, back with another video for you. Continuing on the house rehab. As you can see behind me, I got my pressure washer. And you remember all the moss problems I had on the roof, the garage door, the shed, and as well as this, my whole basement foundation. You can see it's pretty bad in some spots. Pretty bad right there. Right there, right here, and around the corner here is the worst. So what we're going to do today is fire up this pressure washer. It's the Predator 3200 psi pressure washer I got from Harbor Freight, and we're going to try to clean this up. Comes with the 5 tips. You get a 0, 10, 25, and the 40 for like cars, and the last one, which is black, which is on the nozzle right there, is for soap. So we're going to soap this up right around here to the corner. I'm actually going to have Lexi do it, and then rinse it off, see how much of this we can get. I'm not going to use the strongest tip on this because it does cut in. We did a little test spot over there, and it literally indents into the cinder block, believe it or not. So be very careful using these. So we're going to use the next to the strongest one and hope for the best. But let's get her started up, and we'll get Lexi started. Okay. Choke is on, gas is on, power's on. There, let Lexi soap it up. Soap it up here where you see the green stuff.
Yeah, I know.
All right, that's pretty much all soaped up now. We're going to go back, we're going to switch the tip. We're going to go back to the beginning and start seeing if we get some of this off. Now this might not all come off with this tip, but hopefully it cleans it up a little bit. I just really don't want to use the aggressive tip on it, so I may have to come out with a brush and just hit it again, but we'll see. All right. A little soap will come out until it empties out of the hose. Alright guys, as you can see, it's doing a real good job picking it up. That's kind of the before and the after. This is the real heavy spot. We'll see how it does. Try to stay out of the fire.
Yeah, it's kind of hard when you just worked up at it. Look at me.
Little collateral damage. Alright, as you can see, that's looking really good there. It gets a lot worse over here. As you can see, you gotta be careful if you're spraying into a puddle, as this will happen. Unfortunately, I'll need to take a shower real good. It's only gonna happen to you when you're in a puddle. Like on this, it's not gonna happen here. So that kind of sucks. But I gotta move the machine. So we're gonna take a second with the machine and get this last piece over here. I'll let Lexi show you what it's looking like. It's definitely working good. This side here could use a little more, but with the puddle I stopped. Okay guys, as you can see, that's looking really good. Trying to get out of the noise a little bit. Now the challenge is going to be over here. You can see the bees. There is a massive yellow jacket's nest in those pipes. Not yet. There is a massive nest in between those walls. I have tried everything. Supposedly the best stuff you can get, and it's just not getting them. So what I'm assuming is they're going in, and somehow they're either getting up or they're going down where I can't get spray and dust into. So I'm going to try to get this section here and that section hopefully without getting stung, but we'll see what happens. I guess Lexi wants to give it a go. Okay guys, we are done up to here. Like I said, this is going to be the fun part here. Right now the bees are in, but as soon as we touch that, there's one flying there. This is a very active and aggressive nest too. I said I've been trying to kill it for about 2.5 weeks now. I tried almost every spray known to man, and nothing. I did have a ground one on the other side of the house. Killed them right away. These guys, they're like cockroaches. Nothing's killing them. So it should be interesting because they usually do swarm. I mean, they swarm big time. So I know that's a big nest in there because they come out like 100, 200 at a time. Just getting into the vehicles. So we're going to see what happens here and hopefully not get stung. Machine closer to me, not a hole.
Yeah, they're fucking mad. They're pretty upset.
All right, guys, that's about the best I'm gonna be able to get down for now. They just they keep coming. I can see that the pressure hose didn't even do nothing. They're just pissing them off. I got it like 3/4 of the way done. I'll have to wait till it gets a little cooler in the year, maybe like next month towards the end of September here, and go back and get that little piece, but it's not bad. I'll show you. It's not terrible. You can see they're still swarming out there. I don't know if the camera's picking them up. There's not a ton, but they're not happy. But it's mostly done here. They're all coming home now. They're coming after me. They're trying to get me. They don't like what just happened. But that's that. As you can see, our bikes took a little bit of a beating from the puddle over here that was spraying us up. So we're gonna quickly wash these while we get this out. And then maybe if it's a little darker, we'll go back and try that one more time. But it really just pisses them off. It doesn't. These things just don't want to die with nothing. Like I said, I've tried all kinds of sprays, and even this higher end stuff like Striker 54. Just not getting it done. Because I think the way the nest is inside there, it's somehow going up where like you can't get the stuff into. But inside the house, you don't see nothing. So I don't know. But here you go. It looks pretty good. It's much, much better. You saw that moss that was over here, and especially over here. Couldn't really get behind that post that great, but not too concerned with that. It's getting a little dark, so I hope you can still see this. But it looks really good. It's 100% better. Yeah, you can see the bees are coming all the way back here now. We really pissed them off. They are not happy. If I had like a full set of clothes on, I'd get a little closer to show you how they're swarming everywhere. But being in shorts and short sleeve, not really in the mood to get stung up. Because these guys are real aggressive. I think they're the eastern yellow jacket. You can see them during the day when it's like, you know, 10, 11, 12 in the afternoon. Just getting in the car, there'll be about 100 of them. Yep. All right, so we're just gonna call it a day on that now. But that's it for the moss. Like I said, we may try to go back, and the bees are coming all the way back here now. They're all over my window up there now too, trying to get into the window. Might have some in the house getting in through the AC, which they have done before. But that's gonna do it for this video. Appreciate it. Thanks to Lex for helping out what you did. And this is Mike from Home in the 401. Till the next time, we'll see you. Thank you. Looking real good, guys. Stuff on the bottom there is just from the stuff I'm trying to wash it away, but that's not on the brick anymore.